Welcome to the Excel tip video from Excel and CAT. My name is Ajay Anand. In this video, I will show you 4 different methods to select the visible cells in Excel. First of all, let me show you the importance of these techniques. See the sample sales data here. We have data in 11 rows and 7 columns. Now let me hide some of these rows and columns. Right click, hide. Now the columns. So we can see data in 6 rows and 5 columns. Now to copy this data into another worksheet, select the data, right click, copy. To paste the copied data, right click, paste. Apparently we copied data from 6 rows and 5 columns. But when we pasted the same data here, the data from the hidden rows as well as columns got pasted. So let me show you 4 different methods to select, copy and paste only the visible cells. The first method, select the data. In the Home tab, find and select. Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, visible cells only. OK. The visible cells are selected. Now to copy this data, right click, copy. These moving dotted lines indicate the copied cells. Now to paste this data in another worksheet, right click, paste. So only the visible cells got pasted. The second method is using a keyboard shortcut. Select the data, press Alt semicolon. Only the visible cells are selected. Now to copy this data, Ctrl C. To paste the copied data, Ctrl V. Only the visible cells are pasted. The third method is using the Select Visible Cells option in Excel. To add this option to the Quick Access toolbar, right click, Customize Quick Access toolbar. In the Excel options dialog, Quick Access toolbar, click on this down arrow, select all commands. All those options present in Excel are listed here. Select visible cells. Add. OK. See the option called Select Visible Cells got added to Quick Access toolbar. Now select the data, select visible cells, right click, copy, right click, paste. In the fourth method, we will make use of the filter tool in Excel, because when we copy data from a filtered dataset, only the visible cells will get copied. So to apply filter for this data, type in a value into the row adjacent to the last row. Now select the data, go to the Data tab, Filter, click on this filter button and mark the checkbox against the new value. OK. Now to copy this filtered data, right click, copy, right click, paste. Only the visible cells got pasted. So these are the 4 different methods to select only the visible cells in Excel. I really hope you got something new from this video. And if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel so that you won't miss in future video releases. Thanks for watching. Wish you a great day.